My name is James O'Brien. I'm the chair of math, physics, and computer science here at Springfield College. I'm very excited because in the year 2026 fall, we are launching our very first cohort of students for our new data science program. Right now, data science is all around us. A couple of years ago, maybe only people in the tech fields heard of AI, but now everybody is using it. What we're going to be training students to do is not just use AI, but how do you become and create the AI? The data science program is meant to be an inclusive and experiential program. Right from day one, you'll be taking courses where you're building the foundations of your toolkit. Then every student here will either perform an internship, a capstone class, or undergraduate research with one of our distinguished professors. The possibilities are infinite. There is no field anymore that is not influenced by data science. We all interface with data every day. Data is all around us. It's being used for things that you might like and things that you might not like, but there's no career that's going to go without it. You'll have a cohort of students that are interested in solving problems. You'll have strong and dedicated faculty that care about your future and your well-being. And we're here for you. You'll have the support of a small school with a major that is larger than life.